In digital banking, you can make your loan payment by transferring money from your account directly to your loan. Let's get started. In the navigation menu, click Transfer. To make a loan payment, first select the account you want to move money from and what loan you want to move money to. Denote the amount you would like to pay. Choose if you want to do a one-time payment or if you want to make a scheduled payment. Once you've entered the information, review it one last time before confirming. To view all loan payment history, select Transfer History.